In this video, we're going to discuss image upload in a grid component where the target field that you're uploading to is a character field, not a binary field. So you can see that we have a grid here with an image field, and if we go look at the button that does the upload, we can see that the button is uploading to a character field called photo _ linked, and we've chosen to store the uploaded images in a folder called uploads, and we've also chosen to store inside the photo _ linked field the short file name, so not the full file name but the short file name. So that means that if we go look at the table that we're uploading the data to, so let's just go quickly over here to the actual table. So we're uploading to a SQL table called employees, and if we look here, this is an active link table that's looking at the data in that table. We can see that the actual file name that is stored in the photo linked field is the short file name, the relative file name. If we also go look in the folder that we're uploading to, which is the uploads folder, we can see that we have the file names that have been uploaded over there. So let's go back to our builder now, and we can see now furthermore, if we go back to fields and look at the button again, so we can see that we're storing the short file name in the field, and that the folder that we're uploading to is called uploads. Now, because we've specified a relative folder here, we haven't specified, say, C:\my images \uploads. We have a relative folder here. This means that this folder is going to be inside the web root, or inside the root folder in the web root. So in this case, this is going to be C:\A5 web root \live preview, because we're working here in live preview mode. So let's go ahead now and then save this record, and what I'm going to do now is temporarily go to this photo linked field here, and what I'm going to do is temporarily remove this setting and then come back and explain what's going on here. So we'll go now to live preview, and as soon as we go to live preview, we can see that none of our images are shown, and the reason that the images aren't shown right now is that, recall that the data that is stored in this field is a relative file name. So the grid doesn't know how to resolve that file name. It needs to be told what the base path is. So let's go back now to this field called image path, and I'll just bring up the builder here, which explains what's going on, and I'm going to just go here and paste in this value. So what we're telling the grid now is that the images are going to be in a folder called uploads that is relative to the web root, and that the actual file name of the image is this angle bracket value. So this means that the actual physical file name for the image in the current row will be retrieved by getting the value in the photo _ linked field and then replacing value with that value. So now let's go over to live preview, and now we'll see that our images are shown because they can be resolved correctly. So now let's go and add another image here. So I'll just go here and type in, say, John King, and then click the link image button, go there and choose one of the images from my images, click the upload button. Now go ahead and click the save button. So now if we were to go and look at the data in the folder here, so dir, we can see now that there's another image that's over there, and if we were to go and look at the data in the record over here, so let's just close that down and then reopen it, we can see that there's John King, and there's the relative file name that has been entered. So the key takeaway point from this video is that if you are doing image upload to a character field, and you're storing the relative file name, not the absolute file name, it's very important in the builder to go to the image path field and specify how the relative file name that has been stored in the physical field gets translated into a physical file name by specifying this image path property. Thanks very much for watching.